3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I will show you how to fix the "a Java exception has occurred" error. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I have a Minecraft server file that I'm trying to run, but I keep encountering this error. To resolve it, the first step is to open your web browser and search for Java, or you can go directly to Java C Development Kit. Click on it and scroll down to find the latest version, which is JDK 22. Select the Windows option to download the latest installer. After the download is complete, open your File Explorer and navigate to the Downloads folder. You should see the installer there, double click on it and follow the installation process. This will only take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, go back to your Minecraft server file and try to run it again. As you can see, it should now be working successfully without any errors. If you found this guide useful, please leave a like.